I'm just gonna take.
No, it's okay.
Oh, okay, he said it's okay. He looks really nice. He won't bite us. There's stairs going down. Perfect. Okay. This is really pretty back here. I always go to that nursery around the corner. So it looks like they got a lot of their stuff there. Huh?
Yes, I think so.
You know? Okay, now let's go upstairs. Whoops. So at least I could see 2 flora plants. So my clients, they're...
Did you get a flyer? Or you know,
I have the MLS.
I wrote some extra information on it.
Okay. Oh, okay. When are you taking offers?
Anytime.
Okay. Is there any reports on it that I should?
There's a Gentech inspection, which is there's probably in a cage in there.
Oh. There's a termite?
Yeah, so the termite's 7,000.
Okay.
And